Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I have this fantastic steamer, and this is going to be great for getting out all the wrinkles in my garments. A really fantastic device. I have to do a video with this kimono later on, and the fact that this is able to work out all those wrinkles is fantastic. The company actually asked me, they were like, make sure you steam this. And I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get out my Hilife steamer to get out all those unnecessary, unwarranted, and unwanted wrinkles. So if you're looking for something that's really fantastic, this is a great device for making things look good. I'm surprised, like it's already wrinkle-free in the back now, and this just came right out of the box. You can see it's still got the tag on it. Let's go ahead and turn her around and see if we can do this side as well. There we go, almost fell off the hanger. And you can see it's got wrinkles on it. And we're just going to work those wrinkles out with this great steaming device. Amy, do you see this?
Yeah, that is absolutely fantastic.
So,
I like that it has a large water tank too. You can really steam for quite a while with this.
yeah, and you can see the water levels on the side. You can see it boiling up. You can turn it off to work with it. And this is a fantastic device. So, folks, if you're looking for something to really steam out those wrinkles, well, guess what? Hilife has you covered. And even on a product that, an item, a piece of clothing that you just got that has the potential to be very wrinkly, this gets rid of the wrinkles almost immediately. You see that? All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, showing you the best of the best so you can do what? Forget the rest. Go ahead and stick around for our up-close portion of the video. Oh, yeah. Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out the up-close portion of the video for Hilife's portable garment steamer. All right, now I've had these before, absolutely love them. Got a new one just to show off for you guys, but it features high temperature steam and dust and wrinkle removers, sterilization, and disinfectant. Removes wrinkles fast and safely. It's travel size, lightweight, easy to carry. You can put it in your luggage. Transport tank allows water level. The transparent tank makes the water level obvious, and the double safety protection keeps you overheat and electronic issues. This is a 700 watt, 240 milliliter tank, and it's 120 to 60 hertz voltage. So folks, if you're looking for something that's pretty awesome, this may be the device for you. I've been happy with mine. Steam my clothes all the time. Here you go, is your handheld steamer. And it looks like the main body of it is right here. Easy to use, easy to set up. And take it out of the plastic for you so you can see it. And you're gonna fill the water tank right there. Looks like the cap just pops on one way or the other. There we go. And yeah, that transparent tank to where you can see the water level, the fill line, etc., etc. Pretty easy to use, standard 110. It's got a couple different heads for steaming, brushing, and cleaning. And I don't know if you need that. Sometimes they give you stuff you don't need it, but this is the fill cup to where you can fill the right amount of water. Very sweet of them to include that. And of course, instructions are in easy to read English with straightforward instructions. It looks like this is easy on and off, and you just fill it up accordingly. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We show you some of the coolest products, the best of the best, so you can forget the rest. So this is better than the rest. Go ahead and check it out. Goodbye, my friends.